Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice by email in Xero. This is essential for getting paid faster and keeping your billing professional and organized. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your browser and head over to Xero.com. Once you're logged into your Xero account, look at the top navigation bar and click on Sales. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Invoices. This takes you to your invoice dashboard where you can view all past invoices and create new ones. Now to create a new invoice, click the New Invoice button. This opens up a blank invoice form where you'll input all the necessary details. Start by adding the contact for this invoice. You can either select an existing contact from your list or create a new one if this is a first-time customer. This step is important because it ensures the invoice is linked to the correct client in your records. Next, you'll need to fill in the invoice details in the item lines. This includes typing a description of the product or service, entering the amount, selecting the appropriate tax rate, and choosing the account it's associated with. Make sure each line item is accurate, as this directly affects your financial tracking and reporting. After that, type in the due date and issue date if they haven't been automatically set by Xero. Double-check that the currency is correct, especially if you're dealing with international clients. Getting these details right helps avoid confusion and ensures your customer knows exactly when payment is expected. Before sending it out, it's always a good idea to review how the invoice will appear to your customer. Click on Preview to see a formatted version of the invoice. This gives you a chance to catch any errors or formatting issues before it reaches the client. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Approve and Email. This action will direct you to an email composition page where you can customize the message that accompanies your invoice. In the subject field, type a clear and professional subject line, such as Invoice INV-1001 from your company name. A descriptive subject line helps your customer identify the email quickly and reduces the chance it gets overlooked. Now type a brief message in the body of the email. You can personalize this with a friendly note or simply leave the default message that Xero provides. Either way, keep it professional and to the point. Finally, click Send Email to deliver the invoice directly to your recipient's inbox. The invoice is now sent, and your customer will receive it with all the details clearly laid out. And that's it. You've successfully created and emailed an invoice in Xero, making your billing process smooth and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.